Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to check out how to check your Cash App balance. Alright, so going to be a quick video. Let's just get straight into it. The first method is using the Cash App mobile app. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and open your Cash App mobile app and then log into your account. Tap the balance tab on the home screen, and your current balance is going to be displayed straight out for you to see. That's pretty much simple and straightforward. The second method is using the Cash App website. You could just first up go ahead and log into your Cash App account on the website, click the balance tab, and your current balance is going to be displayed right there. Now, alternate method is to use a text message method, where you send a text with the text message with the keyword BAL to 697847. Or alternatively, you could use a phone call. You could call Cash App customer support to inquire about your balance. So whichever method you want to use, there are 4, and you can just use whatever you want to find out what your balance is. So I got a couple of tips. The tips is simply first, regularly check your balance. Stay on top of your finances by checking your balance regularly, so you know what's there and you know how to plan and all that. And also you can set up notifications to receive updates on transactions, deposits, and withdrawals, so that way you'll be able to keep track of your balance and how money is coming in and out, coming in and going out. That's always pretty useful to do. It's always good to stay on top of your finance. So that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found it useful. If you did, make sure to like the video. Comments down below, let me know what you thought about it. Make sure to share the video with your friends, and for those who haven't already, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. It helps it out a lot. And of course, ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos. Each time we upload them, you get a notification. Thanks you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.